Oh, fucking idiot! You fucking twit!
A few moments later.
And look at the way it's driving. I mean, seriously? Seriously. Ugh. Oh, I didn't mean to hit you, birdie. Oh, I'm sorry. Look at this dickhead. What a moron. What an absolute moron. Got to force his way in at the last minute. Oh, and run the red light too. Oh, what are you doing? You idiot. What are you fucking doing? You idiot. You absolute twit. Do you not know how to stay in a lane?
You should never give a dummy like that a license.
Oh, what a dickhead. What an absolute dickhead. Indicates at the last minute and then cuts the car off that was turning in front of him.
Make a right turn to stay on Pole Street.
What do you think give way means? Unbelievable.
Using the left two lanes, make a slight left turn on M1.
Oh, you idiot. Do you know where you're going? Good God.
All right.
Oh, for fuck's sake. What are you doing, dickhead? Oh, shivers, birdie.
Oh yeah, I knew that would get you. Come here, you little son of a bitch. Come here, stop it, stop pecking me. Thanks, Joe.
Let's plant a knife on him just to be safe.
Yeah, good thinking.
Yeah, I know how these things go down.
Pick up on the right.
Oh, well, that's a great parking job, isn't it?
Let me have a Diablo sandwich, a Dr. Pepper, make it fast. I'm in a goddamn hurry.
Oh, now he moves. Oh. That's nasty too. Someone's driven into the back of that taxi there. Fucking idiot!
All right.
Yeah, good on you. What an idiot. Bloody idiot.
First exit onto McBurn Drive.
I'll take that towards the Macca's anyway, so.
Enter the roundabout and take
You
the first
fucking
exit onto
idiot.
Rifle Range Road.
But do you expect me to believe that you don't know left from right?